Welcome to the channel, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich here. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Today I've got a What Did You Buy Wednesday, and it's actually Wednesday today when I'm recording this, so that's kind of nice. I picked these up over the weekend. A lot of you have already built these kits on your channels and that, and they've all come out fantastic. I thought I'd give it a whirl on this one here especially. I really like that one. It was really sharp. And I picked up, it's a 66 Buick Riviera GS from AMT. And this here is the Mobius 72 Ford F350 tow truck. Over here is a Stingray. That is AMT kit. And then a couple of Stranger Things kits that have come out. I'll be doing unboxings on all of these here coming up soon. And then as a little bonus, I used to have a 65 Volkswagen Beetle red with the white interior. This one here I think is a 66, but you know, it's the same color, the red with the white, and I just had to have it, and it was only a couple of bucks, so I thought I'd throw that in there. So alrighty folks, appreciate you stopping by. Please stay tuned to see all the unboxings as they roll out. And I will catch you on the next one. This is Model Car Guy Rich out. Have a great day and keep on modeling.